Eating for optimal health. In today's video, we're going to talk about the benefits of papaya for health. Papaya is a tropical fruit originating from Central America with a sweet and juicy pulp. Besides being delicious, papaya is an excellent source of nutrients important for our health. One of the main advantages of consuming papaya is the high amount of fiber. Fiber helps with intestinal function, reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease, and helps control blood sugar levels. Another important benefit of papaya is the presence of an enzyme called papain, which aids in the digestion of proteins. This means that consuming papaya can help avoid digestive problems such as constipation, indigestion, and heartburn. Papaya is also an excellent source of vitamin C, important for strengthening the immune system and preventing colds and flu. In addition, papaya contains vitamin A, which is essential for eye, skin, and respiratory health. But that's not all. Papaya also contains a substance called lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that can protect our body against damage caused by free radicals. So, how can we include papaya in our daily diet? It's very simple. Papaya can be consumed as fresh fruit, in fruit salads, smoothies, juices, and even in healthy desserts. In summary, papaya is a delicious and nutritious fruit that can bring numerous benefits to our health. So, why not include papaya in your next grocery list? Your health will thank you.